Understanding Friend of the Hour, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, friend of the hour. This expression has a unique meaning and usage in English, and understanding it can add a new layer to your conversational skills. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Friend of the hour refers to a person who is particularly helpful or supportive during a specific time of need, but may not necessarily be as present or supportive at other times. This phrase highlights the temporary or situational nature of the person's friendship or support. It's important to note that while the support is appreciated, it may not indicate a deep, lasting friendship. The phrase, friend of the hour, might not be as commonly used as other English expressions, but it's descriptive and carries a specific connotation. It doesn't have a clear historical origin but is understood in context. The idea is similar to fair weather friend, though with less of a negative connotation. Instead, it focuses on the timeliness and helpfulness of the support provided. To help you better understand how to use friend of the hour, let's look at some examples. When I was moving to my new apartment, John was a real friend of the hour by helping me transport all my furniture. During the power outage, our neighbor proved to be a friend of the hour by offering us candles and flashlights. She was the friend of the hour when she helped me prepare for my presentation, even though we hadn't spoken much before that. Understanding when and how to use the phrase, friend of the hour, can enhance your English communication. Acknowledging support. Use it to thank or acknowledge someone who has come to your aid during a specific challenge. Describing situational friendships. It can describe relationships that thrive under specific circumstances but may not extend beyond them. Storytelling. Incorporate it into stories or anecdotes to highlight temporary but valuable assistance or companionship. The phrase, friend of the hour, offers a nuanced way to describe temporary but impactful support or friendship. Like many expressions in the English language, it helps convey complex relationships and situations succinctly. We hope this video has enhanced your understanding and usage of this phrase in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!